Hi, this is Neil from UseMyFrame.com, and a common question I get asked is if you have a polarized lens that has no markings, how do you make sure you line up the polarized filter correctly? The answer is very simple. Let me show you. So usually polarized lenses are going to come with this line across it, or in this case it even has notches on the side. But these lines can get wiped off and these notches can get cribbed off, in which case you're left with a lens that has no markings. And how do you do it? Well, some people may say all you have to do is spot it and it'll line up correctly by itself. But that's not always the case, because if the prescription doesn't have cylinder or axis, or if it was surfaced incorrectly, you won't get that right, or at least you won't know. So to help with that, you're going to want a polarized filter. And this is one from Younger Optics. You can find them from other places. This happens to be our go-to. And all you have to do is put your lens centered on here and look at a light source behind it. So it should go lens, filter, light, and then slowly turn this until it's at its darkest. And you'll see it gets darker and darker, and then it starts getting lighter and lighter. And all you have to do is go back and find at its very darkest point, in this case right about here. And you see I'm a little higher on the top than I am on the bottom, so just move it down. This will just help you with blocking it, make it a little easier. Let's double check it. A little lighter, a little darker, right about here. Now on this one, you'll notice that it does have a couple little cutouts to show, but you can see we proved it just by rotating the lens. So once we got it, we'll grab a marker or a China marker, and we'll just draw here a little notch right on the 180 line. All of them will usually have something like that. And sorry if the camera's going out of focus. But there you go. It's just that simple. And now you'll be able to spot it, block it, edge it, and know that it's accurate. And if it's a pair of mounted lenses where they're already installed in the frame, you can use the same thing. You just put this over the lens, and this way you can verify that they were laid out correctly. All right, any questions? Leave them in the comments. Thanks again for watching.